we have division of rational numbers. We have to divide 81 by -9. When we don't have any sign, it means that this number is positive. So we have positive number divided by negative number. The rule is the same like for multiplication. When we multiply negative or positive times negative, the answer is negative, the same as for division. When we divide positive by negative or negative by positive, the answer is negative. So we have 81 positive divided by negative number 9. So positive by negative give me negative sign. And now we have to divide 81 by 9. So negative sign we copy, 81 divided by 9 is 9. So this is solution to the first example. In the second, we have two negative numbers, division of two negative numbers. So we have the negative divide by negative. The rule is the same like for multiplication of rational numbers. So these two negatives give me positive sign. And now we don't have negative sign, we have just 65 divided by 13. How many times you can put 13 to 65? 5. So this is my solution to the second example, and the last we have to first check the sign. We have negative divide by positive. When we don't have any sign, it's always positive. So negative divide by positive is the same like positive divide by negative. The answer is negative. The rule is the same like for multiplication. So we have negative sign. We have to divide 0.56 by 0.7. So we have to do long division. We have 0.56 divided by 0.7. We cannot divide by decimal number. We have to move decimal point to the right one digit. So the same we do here. So now decimal point will be between 5 and 6. So we have to divide 5.6 by 7. How many times you can put 7 to 5? 0. 0 times 7 is 0. Subtraction. 5 minus 0 is 5. Decimal point we have to take up, and we take next digit, so will be 56 divided by 7 is 8. 8 times 7 is 56. Subtraction, we finish long division. So this is equal. Negative sign we have to copy. And 0.56 divided by 0.7 is 0.8. This is my solution.